When my brother and I get together for a build, that means it's a special one. Well, this special client is a near and dear friend of ours. She's also been a client of the shop for like 23 years now, from the beginning basically. Her fleet is crazy and out of this world. Well, this one's gonna blow you guys away. That special client that I'm talking about is Kim Kardashian. Over 2 decades of building cars, and as you can imagine, sometimes things get redundant or start getting repetitive, but I would have to say this build is very special. Both my brother and I were able to stand back and be very proud of the finished product. The vehicle in question, as George mentioned, is for Kim Kardashian, who's a dear friend and a longtime client, and she has a very impressive fleet, but this particular car I think takes the cake. It's something that's been unseen before. It's the first of its kind in the country. The vehicle is a brand new Lamborghini Urus, which we sold to Kim, and the car started its life off in white from the factory. It's received a full custom color change, so it's been painted to a bespoke color that was handpicked between Kim, George, and myself, and it received a full MANSORY Carbon Fiber Wide-Body kit, one-off design, 2-piece brushed wheels. We can't wait for you guys to see this. It's gonna blow you away. So after many color samples, here's sort of a final overview on the project. As mentioned, the vehicle started its factory life in white. The ceramic gray Pantone is a custom Pantone that we did specifically for this project, so the full exterior has gone from white to gray. The yellow references the custom interior and the custom wood veneer that's been reupholstered and refinished in yellow. So it's had a full complete paint job as mentioned. The full interior is bespoke, the veneers are yellow, and overall we did 4 different CAD designs for Kim to review in different color setup configurations for the body color versus how the carbon fiber has been sort of styled and masked off. And you'll see the different references here, and this one is what we ended up going with. And finally, the dual block forged custom one-off wheels for this project.
I hope you all enjoyed the episode. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, turn on the notification button. We got a lot more in store for you all.